when I check for things to do in Tokyo, there's something catch my attention, which is the one of the museum. This is the Meguro Parasitological Museum, really catch my attention, which is, I think it is something very unique and special. And then I'm going to show you what's inside will have. The opening hour is from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. and it's free. So inside is actually no video and photography allowed, but I checked with the staff, I emailed them earlier, they allowed me to do that. But if you have a mobile phone, you can take a nice photo and video, just go ahead with this. Over here, there's a locker right over here. And then, yep, you can start to see what's the parasite. It's damn very cool, right? It looks amazing to me. And even though the crab, the parasite is not, parasite here is not only show that affected on human, it's also parasiting on animals. If you don't understand Japanese, you can just write over here. So it will show you that this is parasite for human. It's very cool to me. I think it's very helpful to understand about parasite. On the first floor, what you can see right over here is, oh my god, there's a parasite on the sea turtle and in the fish. I think you should come over here to check it out by yourself. You will learn a little bit more. And even those that it show you that the parasite in the fish. This is what you can find in the human. Those that are important parasite of human. So remember to wash your hand because there's a lot of those parasites can be easily washed away by soap. After looking at all this parasite, it might change your mind a little bit to enjoy the sashimi. You can scan the QR code and then, oops, give me a minute. Let me show you the magic. And then, oops, it will appear exactly the explanation in English. Then it will help you to understand what does it mean in Japanese. So right over here, I think it's amazing that to have those models and then some of the history to tell you about the parasite thing. It's very cool to me, it's very informative. So, it's only 2 floors if I'm not wrong, but it's good enough for education to learn about how to stay hygiene and avoid to get this in your body. So this is the roundworms from the cats, and then this is the roundworm from the dog. This is the largest tapeworm. It will be grow in 1 to 2 meters in length, and then you usually can find it in the dog or cats, and the egg will be mature within 7 to 10 days, and then once they go into an adult, it will lay eggs of 10,000 to 1,000,000 eggs per day. Bad news, guys. So let me show you something scary. This is a tapeworm that found in a man in his 40s, and then check out how long the tapeworms that living in his body. It's, oh my god. And then this is infected by he was eating the raw salmon. So this is 8.8 meters long, and this museum is very cool. In order to show you how 8.8 meters long, there is a rope right over here, and then yep, so let me show you how long that the tapeworms that actually hide inside the body. It is about 3 times of me. It's amazing, right? Let me show you. It's like this long. Can you imagine that if you are eating something not clean, that a worm will be inside your body like this? I feel a little bit scary to think about eating sashimi now. But anyway, I'm going to show you that this is the egg of the tapeworms, and this is the head of the tapeworm, and this is the tail of the tapeworm. And look at it, it's at a very small head and then like it'll grow up something big. I would strongly recommend that you don't come to this museum before lunch, or if you think that you want to stay on diet, then you will come here. This is a parasite that live into a stomach. It looks super gross. I have all the goosebumps all over me now. Let me show you some good news, which is those parasite of this one. I cannot pronounce the name, but this is only found in Japan, and it used to be happen quite a lot of the disease cases in Japan in the 1950s, and now no more. So they are quite safe. I mean, I kudos to the government that they are trying very hard to keep the disease free. And of course, some parasite that will attack the liver, which is it used to be lesser in the last time, and is actually more, in the current world, current years. So yeah, make sure you go to a good restaurant, well prepared restaurant, and looks clean. It'll help you to prevent to get those parasites in your body. This is a nightmare for men, which is it's a mosquito bite, and then it will give you a lot of water retention, and the worst thing is it will make your testicle huge like this. Okay, so this gentleman is Satyu Yamaguchi. Is a parasitologist, and something impressed me is that he looked quite cute. not that. This is where he lived, blah blah blah. Something impressed me a lot, that this is his drawing. I think he is amazing, and like he really impressed me a lot. This is a wonderful museum that I really learned a lot, that I think is a great way to bring your kids along to learn a little bit more how to stay in hygiene, how to be more careful, be more aware about the pesticide, and then it's really that I learned that, which is something that I thought it could be a disease, but actually it's a parasite in the human body, and it comes with Wi-Fi. So as long as you have a smartphone with you, scan the QR code, there will have an English description to let you learn about how the parasite is. And then they also come with the restroom right over here, so you don't have to worry that you need to go to the washroom, all this. And there's no guide, but of course it can take a bit. Okay, let me update one more thing, that photo and video is for private use is allowed, and then of course I got the permission by the museum staff, so I'm allowed to take video over here. And it would be great that you can donate something, some money for them, or you can keep a stamp. This is something very unique, that if you collect the stamp, and for last year 2019 they have collected quite a lot of money, although it's not what in their target, but do your best to donate a little bit money. It will be very helpful for them to run the museum, and it's really helpful that for the parents to teach the kids to be more hygiene. And let me share my experience with you, which is I did a volunteer job for an eye hospital. It's called Orbis. So there is a lot of disease that can be prevented. Like a lot of people, a lot of country. I shall not name the country name. So we are glad that we have clean water in Singapore and Malaysia and Japan. A lot of the people, they don't have clean water, so when they always rub their hand with the dirty fingers, and then that's where the parasite will go into their eye. And it's something simple things like you have clean water and you can wash your hand with soap, you can prevent this disease or the parasite attack to your body or your eye. And yeah, with this museum I really feel more appreciate that, and the volunteering job, that I feel more appreciate that to have clean water in Singapore, Malaysia and Japan. You can even drink the water from the tap sometimes. And yeah, do visit here. It's a very good place. It's very educational museum, especially for kids, to understand that small little thing can be prevent for trouble in the eye.